In this video, we're going to do a computational problem involving trigonometric functions. So we're going to compute the sine of pi over 2 plus 3 times the cosine of pi minus the tangent of pi. All right, let's carefully work through this. To do this, we're going to use knowledge of the unit circle. So solution. So the key idea in this video is that the unit circle looks like this. It's a circle centered at the origin of radius 1. So there's a rough picture of the unit circle. That would mean that this ordered pair here is 1, 0. This ordered pair here is 0, 1. This one here is negative 1, 0. And this one here is 0 and negative 1. Okay, so 1, 0. The x-coordinate is 1. The y-coordinate is 0. X-coordinate is 0. Y-coordinate is 1. X-coordinate is negative 1, y-coordinate is 0, and here the x-coordinate is 0 as the y-coordinate is negative 1. And on the unit circle, something amazing happens. Every ordered pair can be expressed in the form cosine theta, comma sine theta. So the sine of theta is the y-coordinate, and the cosine of theta is the x-coordinate at every point on the circle of radius 1 centered at the origin. Pretty useful. So let's go ahead and work this out very carefully. So this angle here is pi over 2. This is 0, this is pi, and this is 3 pi over 2. So using this basic knowledge of the unit circle, oh, this is also 2 pi, we can work everything out. So let's see, we have the sine of pi over 2. I'll write it again. Plus 3 times the cosine of pi minus the tangent of pi. This is equal to, let's see, sine of pi over 2. So on the unit circle, sine is the y-coordinate. So we simply go to pi over 2, and we look at the y-coordinate. The sine of pi over 2 is 1, because that's the y-coordinate, plus 3 times, what's the cosine of pi? Well, you go to pi, and on the unit circle, cosine is the x-coordinate. So the x-coordinate at pi is negative 1. Minus tangent. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. You might say, well, how does tangent fit to this picture? Well, recall that the tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta over cosine of theta. So in this particular case, the tangent of pi is equal to the sine of pi over the cosine of pi. Well, if you go to pi, the sine of pi is 0 because sine is the y-coordinate at pi. So 0. And cosine of pi, that's going to be negative 1. That's your x-coordinate at pi. 0 over negative 1 is 0, so minus 0. So you end up with 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. And that, my friends, is the final answer. So kind of a fun video, a fun example, because it really helps you understand the unit circle. And again, the key point in this video is that every ordered pair on the unit circle can be expressed in the form cosine theta, sine theta. Let's go over it really quickly one more time. So the original question is to find sine of pi over 2 plus 3 times cosine of pi minus the tangent of pi. Sine of pi over 2. So to find this, you simply go to the unit circle, pi over 2. What's the y-coordinate there? 1. Boom, that's the answer. Plus 3. Cosine of pi, you go to pi. You say, okay, cosine is the x-coordinate. What's the x-coordinate at pi? Negative 1. Boom, there it is. So you get 1 plus 3 times negative 1, which is 1 minus 2, which is negative 2. And this one doesn't matter because tangent is sine over cosine. Sine of pi is 0 because sine is the y-coordinate over cosine of pi, which is negative 1, because cosine is the x-coordinate. 0 over negative 1 is 0, so we just get minus 0, so it just doesn't matter. So 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. I hope it's been helpful. Take care.